Hello everyone, welcome back once again to our channel. Today, we're diving into the most crucial HTML interview questions and answers for 2024. This is the second part of HTML interview questions and answers. If you didn't watch previous video, then you can watch first part on this channel. You can find link in I button or you can find link in description below. Whether you're preparing for an HTML interview or looking to brush up on your HTML knowledge, having a solid grasp of key concepts is crucial. So if you are ready, let's get started. Question 1. What is the purpose of the target attribute in an embed tag? Answer. The target attribute in an embed anchor tag specifies where to open the linked document. Common values include _self, which opens the link in the same browsing context, default, _blank, which opens the link in a new tab or window, _parent, which opens the link in the parent frame, and _top, which opens the link in the full body of the window, breaking out of any frames. Using _blank is popular for external links to keep users on the original site, while other values are useful in web applications involving frames or iframes to control navigation context. Question 2. Explain the difference between the gem and I tags. Answer. The gem and I HTML tags both render text in italics, but they serve different semantic purposes. The gem tag is used to emphasize text, indicating that the content within it should be stressed or given importance, which can affect screen readers and search engines by signaling a change in meaning or tone. On the other hand, the I tag is used for text that is stylistically different from normal text without implying additional emphasis, such as technical terms, foreign words, or names of works. Using these tags correctly improves accessibility and semantic clarity in web content. Question 3. How do you embed an image in HTML? Answer. To embed an image in HTML, use the img tag. This tag is self-closing and requires at least the src attribute, which specifies the path to the image file, and the alt attribute, which provides alternative text for the image. Optionally, you can add attributes like width and height to control the image dimensions. Here's an example. In this example, replace path/to/image.jpg with the actual path to your image file. The alt attribute helps with accessibility and SEO, describing the image for users who can't see it. Question 4. What is the purpose of the br tag? Answer. The br tag in HTML is used to insert a line break within text, enabling content to continue on the next line without starting a new paragraph. It is particularly useful for formatting text where line breaks are necessary but paragraph breaks would be too much, such as in addresses, poems, or lines of dialogue. Unlike the PA tag, which creates space above and below a paragraph, the br tag simply moves the text to the next line without additional spacing. This tag is self-closing, meaning it doesn't need a separate closing tag and is written as // in XHTML. Question 5. What are data attributes in HTML, and how are they used? Answer. Data attributes in HTML are custom attributes that store extra information about an element that does not have any visual representation. They are named with a data prefix, followed by a descriptive name. These attributes are often used for JavaScript to access additional data without cluttering the markup with non-standard attributes. Here's an example. In this example, a div element uses data attributes to store a product's ID, name, and price. JavaScript retrieves these values using getAttribute, enabling dynamic interactions based on the embedded data. Data attributes are especially useful for passing information between HTML and JavaScript without affecting the element structure or style. Question 6. What is the purpose of the role attribute in HTML? Answer. The role attribute in HTML specifies the purpose or role of an element in the context of accessibility. It enhances the accessibility of web content by informing assistive technologies, like screen readers, about the element's function or structure, ensuring better navigation and interaction for users with disabilities. For example, div role equals button indicates that a div element should be treated as a button, providing users with context on how they can interact with it. Here's an example. In this example, the role equals navigation attribute indicates that the div contains navigation links. This helps screen readers understand the element's purpose, improving the browsing experience for users who rely on such technologies. By using the role attribute appropriately, web developers can create more inclusive and accessible web applications. Question 7. What is the HTML5 doctype, and why is it important? Answer. The HTML5 doctype is a declaration at the beginning of an HTML document that tells the browser to render the page in standards mode, which ensures consistent behavior across different browsers. It is written as doctype HTML. This simple declaration is crucial because it triggers the browser to use the HTML5 specifications, allowing the use of modern web technologies and features, such as semantic elements, like article, section, multimedia elements, like audio, video, and enhanced form controls. Using the HTML5 doctype helps avoid quirks mode, where browsers emulate outdated behaviors for compatibility with older websites, which can lead to inconsistencies and unexpected results. By declaring doctype HTML, developers ensure a more reliable, uniform interpretation of their code across all browsers, facilitating better user experiences and easier maintenance. Question 8. What is the difference between figure tag and img tag? Answer. The figure and img tags serve different but complementary roles in HTML. The img tag is used to embed images directly within an HTML document. It is a self-contained, self-closing tag that requires attributes like src, source of the image, and alternative text for accessibility. The primary function of the img tag is to display images. In contrast, the figure tag is a semantic container used to group media content, such as images, illustrations, diagrams, or even code snippets, along with their captions, which are provided using the fig caption tag. The figure element allows you to semantically associate media with its description, enhancing accessibility and search engine optimization, SEO. While the img tag can be used alone, the figure tag is ideal when you need to include additional context or captions. Using figure with img provides a more structured and meaningful way to present visual content in web pages. Question 9. Is drag and drop possible using HTML5 and how? Answer. Yes, drag and drop is possible using HTML5. It provides a native way to handle drag-and-drop interactions with minimal JavaScript. The draggable attribute is used to make an element draggable, and several event handlers manage the drag-and-drop process. Here's a basic example. The div with id equals drag1 is made draggable with draggable equals true. The onDragStart event sets the data to be dragged. The target div allows dropping via onDragOver and onDrop events. The allowDrop function prevents the default handling of the element. The drop function appends the dragged element to the drop target. Question 10. Difference between SVG and Canvas HTML5 element? Answer. SVG or Scalable Vector Graphics and Canvas are both HTML5 elements used for drawing graphics on web pages, but they serve different purposes and have distinct characteristics. SVG is a vector-based graphics format, meaning it uses mathematical equations to describe shapes, which allows for high-quality, scalable images that remain crisp at any resolution. SVG is ideal for static images, diagrams, and illustrations, and it integrates well with CSS for styling and animations. Elements within an SVG can be individually manipulated through the DOM or Document Object Model. Canvas, on the other hand, is a raster-based graphics element, where drawings are done using JavaScript. It is suitable for dynamic, interactive graphics like games, real-time data visualizations, and other scenarios requiring frequent updates. Canvas provides a pixel-based drawing surface, where graphics are rendered directly onto the canvas, making individual elements non-interactive after drawing. In summary, use SVG for resolution-independent graphics and DOM manipulation, and Canvas for performance-intensive, dynamic graphics. These questions cover a range of HTML topics, from basic syntax to more advanced concepts like semantics and accessibility. Familiarizing yourself with these questions and their answers should help you feel more confident and prepared for your HTML interviews in 2024. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.